The three quietest dishwasher brands on the market. We're going to start with Miele. Miele is one of the oldest appliance manufacturers in the world. Still family owned. They build one of the most quietest dishwashers available, but I think one of the best dishwashers. Couple quick features. Cutlery rack on top. Miele invented this. Every major manufacturer has this feature now. It's great because it frees up your bottom rack for pots, pans, and glasses, dishes, etc. But by putting things in individually, your flatware, they come out a lot cleaner. The other feature that Miele just introduced a few years ago is the auto DOS feature. What that means, you get one of these detergent packs, you're going to get 20 plus loads. It's going to automatically dispense itself when it's needed in the wash cycle at the right temperature, time. You're not going to get cleaner dishwashers than this unit. And the last feature inside, no exposed heating element. Miele was the first company to come out with a hidden heating element. Most manufacturers have that. Safer dishes inside, safer cleaning, no melting of any plastic. You can put plastic anywhere. Miele is one of our top choices for quietest dishwashers. Next on our list of quietest dishwashing brands, KitchenAid. KitchenAid dishwashers have been well known for being a great dishwasher. What they've done recently, they've added extra insulation, they've quieted their pumps, their motors. If you're looking for a quiet dishwasher that's more Americanized, meaning what you're used to if you have a US dishwasher, US brand, KitchenAid's going to be a brand you want to definitely take a look at. A couple great features, a lot of rack space inside. So you've got a lot of area for plates, for cookie sheets, casserole dishes. You get your traditional silverware caddy. So KitchenAid is going to be more of what most people are used to. You've got your adjustable rack. They do offer a top cutlery unit. Now on the KitchenAid, it's going to be a little bit different than our European brands because it's more of a utilized rack, meaning you can put ladles, you can put knives, you can put some silverware in through here, or you can put smaller bowls or smaller cups. So KitchenAid is a brand that you're going to want to look at. They add extra insulation to make them quieter. So as a brand, if you're looking for that dishwasher, kind of like what you've had before, KitchenAid's a brand you want to look at. So the last brand we're going to go over is the Bosch brand. Now, none of these are in any specific order. So each model has different decibel levels. So I'm just going over the broader brand. But if you look at the Bosch, this is the Bosch 800 series. This is going to be a very quiet dishwasher. It's going to have their turbo wash system, which will allow you to program specific areas to target inside the dishwasher on the bottom rack. In the back right, you have your zeolite container, which will help with drying. A lot of our dishwashers, especially our stainless steel new dishwashers, don't have exposed heating elements like the Bosch or the Miele. This does a great job of drying with that zeolite. The other thing this unit's going to have is it's going to have our top cutlery rack, which we saw on a couple of our other brands like Miele. So feature for feature, the Bosch is a great unit to consider. All of their models that are 4-inch high toe kick are made here in the US. Bosch is a good brand to look at.